Hello, I'm David Rayner. I'm acting as project coordinator to work on restoring this lovely old church. It's been here for over 900 years and it's a grade 2-star listed building that's on the buildings at risk register. We've got major work to do to repair the tower. The tower's structurally unsound, the roof is shot, and we've got water problems with the floor and walls. Plus the heating was condemned in 2014, so we need to spend something over £250,000 on that part of the work. And then once we've done that, we need to worry about things like toilets, getting the bells working again, and other bits and pieces. So all in all, we're looking at £300,000 plus maybe 350, which is rather a lot of money for a relatively small village.